So everyone, we've got a bit of a windstorm. We've got like a storm coming in. It is really windy. We've already got like a dozen tumbleweeds on the fence. Hey, Lupin. But yeah, it's windy today. It's cold out too. Sheesh. That green toad's like scooching. But yeah, it's windy outside and cold. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you guys want. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers for November 16th, which is my birthday. So yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe. That'd mean a lot to me. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you guys want. Bye.